Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve some of the numericals based on mole concept. These numericals have been given on page number 42, and the first numerical is if 1 mole of carbon atoms weigh 12 gram, then what is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? Here first we will jot down what all details have been given to us. So first is that 1 mole of carbon atom. So 1 mole of carbon atom. First we need to check that what all details they have given is for atom or for molecule. So 1 mole of carbon atom's weight is 12 gram. Now what is the mass in gram of 1 atom of carbon? Here 1 mole. So that means how many atoms will be present into this? So 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So this many atoms weighs 12 gram. So from this we can find out the mass for 1 atom. That this many atoms weighs 12 gram. Then 1 atom of carbon weighs how much? So it will be 12 into 1 divided by 6.022 10 raised to 23. So the answer will be 12 divided by 6.022 is 1.993, and then this we are taking up. So it will be 10 raised to minus 23. We have divided this two. So the answer is 1.993 and into 10 raised to minus 23. So 1 atom of carbon weighs this much. So this is in gram. Our next numerical is which has more number of atoms, 100 gram of sodium or 100 gram of iron. So among these two, which has more number of atoms? Their mass is same, but which has more number of atoms, that we have to find out. So first we have to find out that how many moles the sodium is consisting in 100 gram and how many moles iron is consisting in 100 gram of its weight. So first N equals to 100 divided by 23. For sodium we are finding out. Always atomic mass will be given to you in exam. So from that you have to find out further molecular mass and you can proceed. So here N is number of mole, 100 is mass of a substance and 23 is molar mass of substance. So here the answer is 4.348 moles. So for sodium these are the moles. Now we will find out for iron. So N equals to weight 100 then divided by atomic weight. So it is 56. So answer is 1.786. So these are the moles for iron. Now we will see here the moles is 4.348 and here the moles are 1.786. So sodium's moles are higher than iron. This means it has more number of molecules compared to iron. If they have asked us that how many atoms are present, then we have to find out. But they have only asked which has more number of atoms. So we already got the answer from this. Whoever has more moles, in that the atoms will be more. So sodium will have more number of atoms compared to iron. And if they have asked how many atoms will be present in that, then simply you have to multiply this mole with number of Avogadro number or number of moles. So this multiply with this and this multiply with this. only when they have asked how many atoms are present at that time. Otherwise, this will be the final answer, that sodium has more number of atoms compared to iron. The numericals of the mole concept is very easy when you know the concept thoroughly. If you have any doubt, please check the description. I have given the link of explanation of mole concept video in that. If you have any doubt, please comment down below, or you can directly write me at my email address. Don't forget to subscribe Learn Yourself for many more upcoming videos. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.